Hi, this is Darren from the CDLA. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can give a student assistant permission to grade an assignment in Moodle on a case-by-case basis. I begin by just reminding you that we have a lot of documentation for Moodle at cdla.oxycreates.org/Moodle. And under the courses section, you'll see a tutorial, add participants. And here you'll see that as an instructor, these are some of the roles that you can assign to participants in your course and the permissions that they have. So you note that the instructor authorized student assistant role does not allow that person to see grades of others, nor to do any grading. They can create activities for you. For grading permissions, you would need to set the role as either non-editing teacher or guest instructor, which is the functional equivalent of the professor role. There could be cases where you have a student assistant and you do want to allow them to do some grading, but you don't want them to have permission as broad as these two roles. So I'm going to show you a way in which you can selectively grant permission on an assignment by assignment basis to somebody with the instructor authorized student assistant role. So we'll jump over here to a Moodle course, and I have here a final paper assignment and one submission to that. And as an instructor, of course, normally I can go ahead and do some grading, view all submissions or grade. But over here in the cog icon, I have a drop-down menu, and from there I can click on permissions. And here under the activity section for assignment, we see the grade assignment capability and which roles are allowed to grade an assignment. And of course, as we noted before, a professor and non-editing teacher and guest instructor can do those things. Well, we want to add by clicking on the plus button for this particular activity and assignment, the instructor authorized student assistant role. Okay, so now that's been added, and I can go back to the final paper. And now if I go ahead and switch my role to see what the instructor authorized student assistant can see, now if I click on final paper, indeed, even as an instructor authorized student assistant, I can go ahead and do some grading on this particular assignment. What about the other assignments? In fact, in these cases, I cannot, right? Because permission wasn't granted for that role, for that activity. Okay, hope this helps. If you have any further questions, please feel free to submit your request to helpdesk@oxy.edu. Thanks.